feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite rapper, na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she to toss a wave, ithanda Inkosi. We stepping on next, inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite rapper, na icon ithanda Inkosi. Okay, utheba uyandazi cha, asifollow ishamba where she see me in the club, bitch. Landele emva kwami kuse ngcono uthole happily. Ngeke ndekwezam cause noba ngiclear ikhathi. Ngcono wenza iplan, you know we niggas feel are wealthy. Swipe itemise kwaqonda ufuna uzama uplan B. Case uzane girls qala way ndifind her shady. Tennis anginebest dajonga iphila ndenza isiyesi. Dora sana ibethi location like this njengoclean ayakathethi. The hottest ekapa, thought it was an accident. Nyamalala 6 months, now I'm back again. Been in 36 months, now I'm gone again. She told me she did cross a wave, ithanda Inkosi. We stepping on next, inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite rapper, na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she did cross a wave, ithanda Inkosi. We stepping on next, inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite rapper, na icon ithanda Inkosi. Inkosi akaxoki, still taking snaps ungam 40. Obs akasiboni grani copy. Little bit surprised uba was caught up all in notes, but kanobuyela emva. Probably write these songs, let's take it back to when ukidi yo. Wayibathwarekisi ngathi khetho dinga physio. Ndiyazibalekisi, you understand ba usistar boy. And ikudala usiza 2020 was a breather. Londo white believer, yeah I told him by it goes away. I sound American, but ekuse uze nakhula. Bonwa nemechen, fuck ever since the cooler. Believer with tense, but now to make them dance, you gotta make a band. She told me she did cross a wave, ithanda Inkosi. We stepping on next, inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite rapper, na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she did cross a wave, ithanda Inkosi. We stepping on next, inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna feature. Kandi Inkosi, your biggest favorite